If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for never miss any further interesting videos.
Hello and welcome everybody to my YouTube channel Decent.
Today I am going to tell you how to get free Netflix Premium account. Today I will show you 2 tricks to get free Netflix Premium account. Please don't skip this video and watch it full. Let's get into our topic. First of all, open Play Store in your mobile and search Netflix in search bar. After the download it. After download complete, click Open App. After opening the application, it will ask you for the payment method. If you want to pay, you can add card, but else close this app. Then go to Google Chrome and search Netflix Mooted app in search bar. After this, Chrome redirect you to the next page. Then scroll down, you will see Netflix Mooted app, Premium Unlock. Then click on the link. After this, scroll down. Then you will see Download Now option, and click on the download. After clicking on the download, you will see different version of Netflix app. You can download any one of it. After download complete, install the file. After installation complete, you can open the application. It will open directly without asking the payment method. Just accept the term and close the pop-up. Now you can enjoy Netflix Premium for free. I will show the demo to use it. I will search here Money Heist Netflix series. Just look at here, you can find anything here. You can find any movies or any web series. But in some mobile or iOS phone this app won't support, but I will show the trick to get in mobile or iOS. Just open Chrome browser and search Telegram and click on the first link. After it will redirect you to a new home page. Then click on the download. It will start to download. After download complete, install the application and open it. Then click on the Start Messaging. Then sign up with your phone number. As follow its step to sign up. After sign up complete, you will see this type of interface. You can see search bar in right top corner. And click on the app and search Netflix series. You can see different Netflix series group. You can join any one of this, approval is not needed. After joining this group, you can see different movies and series from Netflix. If you don't find it, you can search in the top right corner. I am searching Money Heist here for the demo. See, you can see different Shazam episode of Money Heist. You can also search different movies group and join it. And you can find newly HD movies.